Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Writing. My name is Mrs. Labs. I just wanted to take you through a couple things just as far as navigating Moodle and Classroom, which are the main things that we're going to be using in the course, just so that you know exactly how it's going to work and where you should look for certain materials. So first of all, you should start out on Moodle. Obviously, you're there right now because you're watching this video and you found this part that says watch this first. Uh, so on Moodle, this is honestly the extent of what's going to be posted on Moodle as far as materials go. Um, after you watch this introduction and you understand better kind of how to navigate everything, then your first step here is to join Google Classroom. So if you go in there, you'll see yours will look a little bit different, obviously, because mine is on an instructor view. But you'll go in here and there's a class code that you're going to use for Classroom. For those of you who have used Classroom before, this is really easy. You know exactly what to do. Just go in, press that plus sign up on top, and then add the course. If you haven't used Google Classroom before, then you're going to need to go to classroom.google.com and just sign up for it. Join it as a student, and it'll take you through exactly what to do, all the steps that you need to do in order to join Google Classroom, and then you can join our class. Here's what it looks like. Again, yours will look very slightly different just because you're a student versus an instructor. But really the two main things that you're going to want to look at is we have a stream and we have classwork. So stream is going to tell you, it's kind of your news feed, what's happening, if I posted something for you, if there's some reminder that I want to share with you, I'll put that on the stream. But most of the time you're going to be working in the classwork section. So as we go along, there's going to be more units posted, obviously, because there are several units in the course. But first of all, you're going to see something called course materials. There are two materials underneath here. First is the course syllabus. I'm not going to take you through the syllabus right now, but you most definitely should go through the course syllabus. Take a look at what it is that we're going to be doing, different goals that I have for you, different things that I might suggest you keep in mind as you go through. So definitely take a look at that when you get a chance. Something that will be very, very useful to you is the assignment schedule. So this document has our entire schedule for the course. So if you look through here, it's broken down by unit and all the due dates for each assignment that we have in the course. If something would change for some reason, then I will update it on this assignment schedule as soon as possible. So you can always double check that and make sure that you are understanding when the due dates are. And as always, if you have questions about those due dates or about assignments or things like that, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here for you. I want you to succeed. I want to help you in whatever way I can. So please just don't hesitate to contact me about those things. This is also where you're going to turn in assignments. We aren't going to do any assignments on Moodle itself. We're going to be doing the assignments on Classroom. Classroom works a lot better for us in a writing course because it links everything with Google. We can do a lot easier document editing, a lot easier peer reviewing and activities like that. So that's why we're going to be using Google Classroom. I will always post your grades on Moodle also. Your grades will be on Classroom as well, but I will post your grades on Moodle so that your proctor or your parent or both, whoever's just kind of keeping track of those things with you, they will be able to see those on Moodle. Your parent or proctor don't need to add Google Classroom because they'll be able to see your grades on Moodle. So it'll just be you guys and me on Google Classroom. So this is where you would have different assignments. Right now, this little icon means materials. So it's just documents that I'm posting for you or materials that you need. There will also be some assignments. You don't have exactly this, obviously, because you can't create your own assignments, but you'll see, I can at least show you what these icons look like. So when you have an assignment, then there will be something that you need to turn in on Classroom. And again, you'll see how that works as we go through. And if you're ever unsure, please just ask. You'll notice that you have your first post here This is our first assignment under Unit 1, Writer's Toolbox. So that assignment gives you a little more information about that. That is due on Tuesday this week already. It's pretty simple. So go ahead and take a look at that and get that done. And throughout the course, we'll be moving through material rather quickly because this is an 8-week course that obviously goes quicker than a typical 16 to 18-week course. So please always be checking in and keeping track of when you have things coming up, because if you don't check in for a few days, you could easily have missed 1, 2, 3 assignments just in that 1 week. So use that assignment schedule, get it on some calendar that you have. Make sure you always know when those assignments are coming up so that you don't end up getting behind and really letting your classmates down, because there's a lot of not a lot of, but there's a few peer activities where you are depending on a peer to be also keeping track of the assignments and the due dates. So make sure you are doing that so that we can all be successful together and work together on that. Again, if you ever have any questions, please, please, please email me. It's silly to not understand what's going on and just not contact me. So please ask. I would love to help you out and help you have a great experience in the course. And I will see you soon. Thank you.